Hey everyone, welcome to another live from the workshop, and today we are going to be making the Metaltron. This is also known as the Lone Dalek from the first series episode Dalek, when they first returned. So for this I'm using a sound effects Asylum Dalek. I've already scratched off the Asylum stamp, although I'm going to have to go over that again. If you want to know how I dismantled this, there is a video up on my channel under my how-to-dos showing you how I took this apart. So I'm not going to go over that in this video. If you want to check that video out, if you want to know how, then brilliant. Obviously, where I've managed to do it, it still works. So, are you finished? So, we will be able to keep him talking. So, yeah, let's get on with this. And there is my finished Metaltron Dalek. So yeah, it's come out pretty well actually. The panel bent forward, I literally just sawed that in there and then cut it forward so I could bend it. The cracks in it, you may have seen me using this. This is a soldering iron. Obviously very hot, and there's bits of plastic now stuck on the end of it, so I need to clean that. Obviously this is a tool, if you're watching this, younger viewers watching this, this is quite a dangerous thing to use, so you know, if you're going to try this yourself, get your parents to help you with that. But it works really well for scoring the plastic and putting holes and bits in it. I've added some more in there, and obviously with the spheres and things to dent them in, it's good for doing that as well. Just give it an overall coat, and then just give it a quick brush over with a piece of kitchen roll just to get off the excess paint, and there he is finished. And of course, obviously, he still talks as well, which is good. So yeah, it's a great little custom to try. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, favourite, subscribe, share. It really helps me out a lot. And I shall see you all with another video very soon.